Welcome to our tutorial on using the like operator and wildcards in SQL. In this video, you will learn how to perform pattern matching in your queries. The like operator is used in SQL to search for a specified pattern in a column. It is useful when you need to find data that matches a specific format. Wildcards are special characters used with the like operator. The percent sign represents 0 or more characters while the underscore represents a single character. Using percentage wildcard, this query select all employees whose names start with the letter A. The percentage allows for any characters to follow A. The wildcard matches a single character. This query select employees whose names have A as the second character followed by any character. You can combine wildcards for more complex patterns. This query selects names that start with a capital A, have any character in the second position and end with the E. Keep in mind that the case sensitivity of the like operator can vary depending on the database system you are using. Some systems treat capital A and small a as different characters. You can also use not like to exclude certain patterns. This query selects employees whose names do not start with capital A. Here are a couple of practical examples. The first query finds all products with a book in their name, while the second retrieves all customers using Gmail address. In summary, we have learned how to use the like operator and wildcards to perform flexible pattern matching in SQL queries. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with others. Thank you for watching.